I'm not worried about anything. It's all in the planning.
To represent your country is just something that everyone wants to do.
The World Cup, there's 15 countries against each other. There's 2 events we're going through. One is the chef's table and the other is the hot kitchen.
You've got people from restaurants, from contract catering, from the military. You turn that creativity into structured system. Practice, repetition, and then you can go and deliver something that's had the correct amount of creativity and the correct amount of discipline and practice, so that hopefully we can pull those 2 things together and really succeed.
It's just a spectacular place for people to be if they like pressure like this, which I think I do. To have someone like Wrapmaster as a sponsor, I think is fantastic. When it comes to pulling off some cling film or foil or either parchment paper, it's quick, it's easy, it works. So having the right sponsors on board with the right product is integral.
Anyone who's in the team is just automatically motivated because you are representing for your country.
When it comes to the team, they've got to be able to believe in what we do and willing to sacrifice to represent the country. The big journey is the next 7 weeks, all the way to Luxembourg. People say to me, you're taking this seriously. It's my bloody country, I'm going to give it everything I've got.